Hi, let's understand what's stopping you from trading and how to improve the quality of your results. This is the Fixed Profit channel. I'm here to help you. I am helped by a smart robot that scans the market and details the situation with indicators, gives advice. You can get the bot for free and forever within a month. The link is in the description. Those who will not have time to take advantage of this offer will need to make a paid subscription. If you have any questions, write in private messages to the manager, he will tell you everything. Now I will conduct 2 transactions. I start on the currency pair pound, Australian dollar, 5-minute expiry time. Active buying, 8 green indicators. This is advice from artificial intelligence. Yes, the situation should develop quite well for buyers in the coming minutes. The data update periodicity in the robot is 1 minute. It is convenient. It gives you the opportunity to monitor the situation at any moment. I think rising bullish volumes and the possibility of a bounce off the support zone will lead to a new, stronger bullish momentum soon. Folks, to not miss out on new interesting and motivating content, click on subscribe to the channel and on the bell. Like and comment, it helps me promote the videos and gather a really expert community around us. By the way, important news. Now I am preparing for you a cool course on technical analysis. All affiliates will get it. To become an affiliate, write to me in private messages at the link in the description under the video. In this course I will tell you about the secret aspects of technical analysis and how to use them in practice. The course is absolutely free. Let's be honest, most people come into trading chasing that quick dopamine hit. That fantasy of quitting the 9 to 5 after one magical winning streak. And sure, it looks easy when you're scrolling through highlight reels on Instagram, seeing Lambos and just closed my laptop posts. But let me tell you something most won't. This game is brutal for the lazy. This is not luck. It's not a lottery. It's a system, and systems demand discipline. That's why we're starting with the first and most important rule, money management. You don't need a crystal ball to be profitable. You need structure. Rule 1. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your deposit on a single trade. I don't care if you've got the hottest signal on the planet, you stick to the plan. If your deposit is $500, your trade size is $5 to $10. That's it. It's not sexy, but neither is blowing your account in one afternoon because you went all in on a gut feeling. Think of it like poker, only amateurs go all in blind. Your capital is your fuel. Spend it too fast, and you stall. Be strategic, be precise, and most of all, be boring. Because boring traders are consistent traders. And consistent traders are profitable. Let's talk failure now. Because you're gonna fail, you'll enter a perfect-looking setup, the market will fake you out, and you'll stare at your screen wondering if this is for you. Michael Jordan missed over 9,000 shots. Steve Jobs got kicked out of Apple. Tony Stark literally built Iron Man in a cave, with scraps. Success isn't about never falling. It's about getting up one more time than you get knocked down. In trading, losing is tuition. It's payment for the education that no course, no YouTube video, and no mentor can give you. You can't skip it, but you can shorten the curve. That's where my assistant comes in. A smart bot, trained on thousands of data points, helping you filter out noise and identify opportunity. It doesn't sleep, it doesn't panic, it doesn't revenge trade, it just works relentlessly. So, I've completed the first operation. I will now re-enter the market, sticking to money management. Artificial intelligence reads the situation promptly. Its recommendation is to buy 4 bullish indicators. We help with training. To chat about training, write to our manager in private messages. The link is in the description. I personally conduct trading sessions and help with training for all participants. I share my experience. It is not financial advice. I show how I do it. I think the bulls will now raise the price a bit within the corridor without gaining too much of an advantage. Sellers have not used up all their potential yet. Friends, we have a group in Telegram, where we share posts that help to understand trading in more detail. There is a lot of educational content that I personally use in practice. Subscribe, link below the video. I know traders who left corporate jobs, ditched the rat race, and now trade full-time, not because they got lucky, but because they showed up. They studied charts, they learned patterns, they didn't chase, they executed. And yes, trading is a risk. But so is staying stuck in a job you hate. So is starting a business. So is doing nothing. The question is, Which risk are you willing to take? The math is simple. $100 deposit trading at 1% risk nets you around 80 cents per trade. $1,000 gives you $8. Same strategy, same signals, different scale. That's why I say, fund your account properly. Don't trade scared, don't over-leverage, but understand, the bigger your base, the more room you've got to grow. Let's talk analysis. Every winning trader I know journals their trades. They look back at winners and losers, and they ask the hard questions. Did I enter emotionally? Did I follow my rules? Did I exit with discipline? The answers are always in the data. Look at more than just candlesticks. Look at volume, momentum, support and resistance, correlation between pairs. Use indicators like RSI, stochastic, MACD. But don't overcomplicate. Master a few tools deeply instead of juggling 20 and mastering none. Now, drop a comment below. Tell me what indicators you're using right now. What strategies saved your account recently? I read every single one. And I want to build a tribe of real traders. No fluff, no hype, just process. Smash that like if this video gave you clarity. Hit subscribe if you want more of this straight shooting content every week. Now let's pivot for a moment. Cryptocurrencies are changing. It's not just Bitcoin and Ethereum anymore. We're seeing the rise of third-gen coins, projects like Solana, Avalanche, and Algorand, focusing on scalability, speed, and low-cost transactions. These aren't meme tokens. These are real tech with real use cases. For traders, this matters. Because these assets bring volatility. They bring news cycles. They create opportunity. But they also bring risk, massive swings, low liquidity pockets, unpredictable moves. In the meantime, I have completed my work. You've seen the results. Subscribe. I'll be back to you soon with more interesting insights.